This design proposal addresses the challenges of designing a house on an elongated 6 by 45 meter lot. The client's specifications were clear. They desired 4 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom, a 2-car garage, and servant quarters. To accommodate the garage requirement, we situated the house 7 meters from the front, providing ample parking space for large vehicles. Recognizing that this is not the client's primary residence, we positioned the servant quarters at the front, allowing the client to control access when away. These quarters also serve as a privacy buffer from the living areas, mitigating road noise. To optimize space, we employed firewalls on both sides of the building. Privacy blocks at the entrance facilitated natural ventilation into the living space while maintaining privacy and security. The depth of the site presented challenges regarding the necessary elevation to meet drainage and sanitary line slope requirements. To address this, we gradually raised the house, starting at the entrance and again at the bedroom level. Ensuring natural light and ventilation throughout the livable spaces was another key consideration. We achieved this by strategically incorporating pocket gardens and light wells, which also serve as service areas. An open floor plan with double-height ceilings in common areas creates a sense of spaciousness. Operable transom windows on both ends of the living space promote passive cooling by expelling hot air near the ceiling. Automotive finished cabinetry with wood accents extending from the living room to the kitchen occupies one side, offering ample storage. Artworks adorn the opposite side of the cabinetry walls, adding color to the predominantly white interior. A shoe cabinet and bench seating are provided for storing shoes before entering the home. 3 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom, were meticulously planned. The first bedroom opens to a light well, also serving as a laundry area. The remaining 2 bedrooms overlook a pocket garden. These features break the hallway length, reducing the tunnel effect. Sliding doors accessing the service area and pocket garden encourage airflow into the hallway, integrating interior and exterior spaces. The master bedroom occupies the entire rear of the house. The high ceiling, combined with large glass doors, extends the room to the exterior, creating the illusion of a larger space. The large sliding doors open to a patio surrounded by a vertical garden and a pocket garden. The master bathroom includes a full-length glass window opening to the backyard garden. It is equipped with a vanity featuring dual lavatories. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets on 2 sides of the bathroom provide ample storage. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.